Our toilet had been running for weeks and weeks. We tried everything. We jiggled it a little bit. So we did what any normal person would do. We just left it by itself. But eventually we felt slightly bad, so we called facilities.
I think he's supposed to be here by now.
Yeah. Oh.
Facilities! Immediately, it becomes clear. They had no idea what they're doing at all.
Ah, shit! Oh, fuck! Oh, I'm screwed!
Ellen and Theo check on him. He just pretends like he knows what he's doing, and then he goes back and calls his friend and admits that he needs help.
Is everything all right in there?
Yeah, no, everything's good. It's fine. I got it all under control. That's good. Roger, I'm totally screwed, man. I'm in way over my head here. You gotta send backup. I need some help, man.
And then he gets stuck inside the bathroom.
Roger, I still need help. Oh, shit! Oh, fuck, I'm stuck in here, Roger. You gotta send backup right now.
Eventually, he tries to get the water shut off in the building, and it just keeps overflowing.
What do you mean you shut the water off? To the whole building, I said. Well, where's all this water coming from? And I'm still stuck in it. I told you, you gotta shut off water to the whole building. God damn it.
Soon there's just poopy water all over the floor of our bathroom, and then he asks for a towel.
Hey, do any of you guys got a towel? I could use a towel.
We can't give him that.
No.
No.
And then he just packs up and leaves.
So did you fix it?
It's not fixed at all. Our toilet still doesn't work.